What's up, you guys? So I'll link this in the description box below, but it's a band that helps me save so much time when braiding. As you can see, today is a braiding video. Not really in explaining how to do box braids, but just, showing you one of my clients. I do want to start filming my clients. I'm going to try to get better angles for you guys and clearer angles because I'm just not starting this. I just put myself on Style Seats. If you don't know what that is where you book people on an app and they just pay you through the app. And when they're done with their service, you just click done and the money goes straight to your bank account. So it's genius and I love it so far. I'm getting all my little clients to book up there. I do girls box braids for $45 for all the moms for the holidays or whatever, and these braids will last her about 3 to 4 weeks if she's wrapping it up and tying it up at night and taking care of it. So I only use Shine Gem on her hair or on my client's hair, and that's about it. That's all you need when braiding, really. And I have a braiding rack. I'll put everything in the description box below. I'm gonna stop talking, but y'all just make sure y'all click like, okay, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video, because Vlogmas is coming and I plan on doing it every day, loading a video, period. So hopefully, y'all subscribe, y'all like, and hit that notification bell so y'all can be, rolling with me through December, because that month I'm doing a video every month. Like, Lord Jesus, y'all pray for me. But anyways, y'all follow my links down below. And this is my Instagram. It'll be popped up on the screen right here in just a second. So y'all just make sure y'all go shop with me. I have a hair Instagram and I have another Instagram where I sell the wigs that I review. I only wear them once and then, I just put them on my site, Etsy. Payments are available as low as like $18. You can get the wig or whatever. And like 2 to 3 business days. I ship out pretty quick. So yeah, make sure y'all get y'all 100% human hair wigs and shop with me, your girl Asia Monet. Period. So I'm just gonna finish up her hair. You guys enjoy the music, enjoy the video. I thank you for watching again, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace. My kids have come home, but y'all, I told myself I wasn't gonna look homeless on camera no more. But today was not the day. Like, y'all gotta excuse how I look. Okay, Vlogmas is coming. December is coming. Okay, so just y'all pray for me, please. Okay, because I need to get my life. I need to start looking like something so I can find my little boo thing or whatever. Let me stop. But anyway, y'all get the vibes. I gotta stop looking like this. Homeless. Like, clothes not matching. A hat. I know how to do hair. I know how to dress myself and look like something. Come on now. I know how to do my nails and stuff. Okay, y'all get the point. But still, forgive me for how I look, okay? And just bear with me. My time to shine is coming, okay? I'm a tired mom. I'm tired of looking like one, though, if you get my gist, all right? But anyway, thank y'all so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. And I'll catch y'all on the next one.